My name is Diego. Question number 4. Why do you think our company should have hired to especially amongst our report of candidates? I am a person that is capable to dance customers consent is and effective. Based on my perception, I think this company is looking for someone with very special skills and a lot of experience. That can be good at growing the company and customers. Simmons that is open to grow the business and help your company and hope for the competition. That's what I need to do. I stand for me belief. I am very passionate about my hope. I want this to be in the that's quite possible and to and looking in me heart for this business. I will bring innovation and spirit to this project and the success of the company with me first priority. To discussing it is and the best option amongst other people. I have as the skill that you need. I am confident of me. I can for sure I can bring impact to your company. My passion will lead this company to be me successful. Thank you.